Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome back, y'all. My name is Joyce McTeer, for those of you who don't know me, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. Please make sure that you thumbs up this video. Please do not fast forward through the video to get to the end of the video to see the results. My reason for saying that is because you may miss something. You may miss a step, you may miss a bend, a turn, you may miss something that won't allow you to get the end result, okay? So, with that being said, I am using some 12 gauge aluminum wire, which is 21 inches long. I have two pieces in front of me, and this is going to be a freestyle. These are going to be some abstract earrings, okay? I'm going to be making a pair of freestyle abstract earrings, and this is a design that I've never created, I've never made before. Nothing in my head, just going to be letting my hands do what it does, okay? So two pieces of 12 gauge aluminum wire, 21 inches long, and I'm going to be attaching this wire to these feathers that I purchased from Amazon. If you all are interested, go and put in feathers. These are metal feathers that I purchased from Amazon. You will need some flat nose pliers, whatever pliers you have, but these are flat nose. These are not your basic. These are more of, okay. So you're gonna need some flat nose pliers. You're gonna need some wire cutters and a pair of round nose pliers. And y'all, I'm sorry to say this, but y'all know the pink ones that I used for so long. I went somewhere and I lost them. I lost my babies, y'all. I had them forever. But anyway, please make sure that you thumbs up this video so that this video can go into rotations for others to view. I'm in my craft, y'all. So this is going to be a Crafty Vision freestyle segment. All right, so let's go ahead and get started.